The self credit builder account costs $25, $35, $48, or you guys can pay $150 per month. But you also have to count the cost of your fees that you guys are going to pay. And my favorite account is $48 per month. So my fees on that account is going to be a total of $46 period. So at the end of my account, after I pay my $48 per month for 12 months, my total fees is going to be $46. So to me, that is my cost. But let me see, let's look at the cost of these other accounts too, because yeah, it's 4 total accounts. So the cost again is $25 per month, $35 per month, 48 or $150 per month. The final cost, if you guys pay $25 per month, it's going to be $89. $35 per month, $125 per month. $48 per month, it's going to be $46 per 40 not let me not say $46 per month. I'm messing up by saying that. Your final cost is going to be $125 for $35 per month, $48 per month, $46, and then $150 per month. Your total cost is going to be $140.